Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Roblox mobile black screen problem, which means if you open Roblox mobile app game and after that you see a black screen and nothing is working, so how you gonna fix that? For example, if you simply open Roblox mobile and after that you see a black screen and nothing works, so how you gonna fix that? So first thing you have to do is you have to simply do the same I have recently done, which means you have to simply close the app, and after closing the app the next thing you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the app and you have to go to app info. And if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to look for Roblox and you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android, you have to simply do the force stop, and after that you have to click on clear the cache. And after clearing the cache you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can again click on storage and cache and you have to simply clear the storage. And after clearing the storage, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the Play Store here, and here you have to simply search for Roblox. And after searching you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Roblox mobile app, and after updating your problem will be solved, because many problems are fixed by the latest version of the Roblox mobile app. If the problem is still there, then next thing you have to do is you have to simply open a browser, which may be Chrome, and here you have to simply open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for Roblox help support. And after that you have to simply click on Roblox support, and here you have to simply search for your problem and you will find any article related to that. But if you do not find any article, then you have to simply go back and you have to simply click on Roblox support, and here you have to simply log in your account, and after that you have to search for your problem and describe the problem to Roblox support team, and they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.